Hey everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through our new bulk image update tool. It's a simple way to fix missing images for your repair categories, manufacturers, or devices in just a few clicks. This feature is going to save you tons of time and it keeps your POS and widgets looking clean and professional. To access this tool, head over to Store Settings and under the Inventory tab, you'll be able to see this new page for Bulk Image Updater. Now, on the page, you can see cards on top for your repair categories, manufacturers, and devices. And it also tells you how many images are missing for your repair categories, manufacturers, or devices. Now, if you click on one of these cards, on the left panel, it's going to show you the repair category for which the image is missing. And the same is the case if I click on manufacturers, it's going to show me all of the manufacturers on the left for which images are missing. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see suggested images for these manufacturers. These images are suggested from our data set, and you can choose either the suggested image, or you can also manually upload an image if the suggested image doesn't work for you. Now, once you have the images selected, you can simply click proceed and the images will be applied. Now, once the upload is complete, you'll see an entry in the activity log. So you always have a record of what was updated. You also have the option to undo the last image upload in case you want to revert any of these changes. Now, you might also notice that there are some items listed in skipped. Now, these were the items for which we didn't have any matching image suggestions in our data set. And for those, you can easily manually upload an image on your own. So that's it. The bulk image update tool. This is again designed to save you hours of work instead of having to manually upload images for all of these manufacturer device and repair categories. You can use this tool. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Yeah, your feedback would be extremely helpful. Thank you.